Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we'll be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that will help you lose weight. We will also be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and basically doing anything in the fitness industry. The anabolic diet is replacement meals and snacks for the high fatty foods that will ruin your diet. That is what the anabolic diet is to satisfy the cravings of the high fatty foods and sugary snacks so you will not want them. All of my recipes got a fraction of the calories, a lot of protein, and a lot of flavor that will definitely help you lose weight. But for 99% of the population, one day we are going to get tired of it, sooner or later. Don't get me wrong guys, that diet works great. Just ask any old school professional bodybuilder. Okay guys, I also noticed is when you eat the same thing back to back every single day, that's when you start craving all the food that you gave up to lose weight. Okay guys, if you're watching this video, it's because we have one similar goal, and that is to lose weight or stay fit. Our goal is not to eat good guys, our goal is to lose weight. But the anabolic diet lets you eat as good as possible while still losing weight. The anabolic diet guys has tons and tons of recipes that will crush your craving. So in today's episode, we're going to be crushing one of your cookie cravings with anabolic pistachio chocolate chip cookies. Alright guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first things first is get your food scale ready with the bowl. Alright. Okay guys, first ingredient, we're gonna need 60 grams of vanilla whey protein. Okay guys, remember 60 grams, okay? Alright. Remember guys, 60 grams, okay? Next step, we're gonna need 60 grams of Quaker oats. Remember guys, 60 grams, okay? Alright. Remember guys, 60 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need 21 grams of pistachio jello pudding mix. Remember guys, 21 grams. Remember guys, 21 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need 10 grams of sweetener. Remember guys, 10 grams. Remember guys, 10 grams, okay? Next step, we're gonna need 3 grams of baking powder. Remember guys, 3 grams. Remember guys, 3 grams, okay? Oh, cool, on the dot, 3. Next ingredient, we're gonna need about 1 gram of salt. Remember guys, about 1 gram. All right. Remember guys, about 1 gram, okay? For the next step, we're gonna mix everything thoroughly before we add the wet ingredients, okay guys? Start mixing, okay? All right, mix it well, then we'll add the wet ingredients, okay? When finished mixing, should look similar to that. Okay guys, let's get to the wet ingredients. All right. For the next ingredient, we're gonna need 180 grams of 100% pure pumpkin. Okay guys, remember 180 grams. Remember guys, 180 grams, okay? For our next step, we're gonna need about 4 grams of vanilla extract. Remember, about 4 grams. Add the 4 grams on top of the pumpkin so it can mix better, guys, okay? Okay, cool, about 4 grams right there. All right, let's go. For the next step, it's not necessary, but it helps, about 2 or 3 drops of this green food coloring. Okay guys, 2 or 3 drops. Okay guys, remember, about 2 or 3 drops only. For the next step, we're gonna start mixing everything together until everything is evenly mixed. All right guys, let's get going. When you're done mixing, it should look similar to that guys, and let's get to the next step. All right. For our next step, we're gonna need about 15 grams of dark chocolate, no sugar added, chocolate chips. Okay guys, 15 grams. Okay guys, about 15 grams, okay? Oh shoot, on the dot. Okay guys, give it a quick mix for the chocolate chips to be evenly spread guys. All right, give it a quick mix and let's get to the next step. For the next step, get your baking sheet with parchment paper and spray it with oil spray, because it will stick if you don't spray it, okay guys? For the next step, Get a spoon, get a heaping spoon, and one heaping spoon makes about 1 cookie. This makes about 8 cookies, guys. So they're not gonna be perfect and the right size or the same size, I mean. But try to make them as evenly as possible, but you're not gonna be able to. But yeah, 1 heaping spoon makes about 1 cookie. Let's make 8 of them. You can make more or less, but just divide the macros or multiply the macros, however you're gonna make, okay, guys? All right. Oh, and don't forget to put the oven for 350 degrees, okay? All right, guys. Around there, you know, try to make 8 of them, okay, guys? All right. Okay, guys, it makes about 8 cookies like this. And don't forget to preheat the oven for 350 degrees, and we're gonna put these bad boys in there for 8 minutes, okay, guys? All right, let's go and put them in the oven for 8 minutes. Okay, guys, these just came out of the oven for exactly 8 minutes, but they're still very hot. So don't try them out until 10 minutes. Let them cool down for 10 minutes, then we could try them out. So I see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, guys, it's been about 10 minutes. And look at these cookies, guys. I've been eating these cookies for the last like 2 weeks straight. And I'm not tired of these cookies. And I do make a lot of really good cookies. You should check out more videos on my cookies. And these pistachio chocolate chip cookies are to die for, guys. Or to die for, I mean, I'm sorry. All right, guys, let's try one out. But first, a word from our sponsor. Okay, guys, it's taste test time. Let's try these bad boys out and I'll show you exactly how good they are. Well, I'll tell you exactly how good they are. I already know how good they are. They're bomb. Let's try them out and let's see which one I'm gonna try out. All right, let me try this one out. Looks very good, guys. All right, put this over there. Look at this, guys. Pistachio chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are to die for. All right, guys, let's try it out. Cheers. Guys, you guys don't know what you guys are missing. Please make these cookies. They're so delicious. I can't believe this is a diet. I can't believe the anabolic diet is this good and it's gonna make you lose weight. Not even think about chicken, rice, and veggies. Oh my God, we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me. Screw that. This is it right here, replacing these chicken dinners with this. All right, guys. Oh my God, you guys don't know what you guys are missing. Please make these cookies. Oh my God. These cookies are so delicious, guys. You guys are not gonna believe you guys are gonna lose weight and still eat cookies. Man, these are low calories. Oh my God. All right, guys, now to the macros. Okay, guys, if you guys eat all day, which I really truly believe that you will eat all day because they're so delicious. This is one of my favorite cookies. All right, if you eat all day, it's 633 calories, 57 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, 15 grams of fiber, and 80 grams of carbs. And that's if you eat all day. Those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. Okay, guys, if you eat one, which I really highly doubt because they're so delicious, it's gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just can't eat one. And if you ate one, it's because you did it wrong. All right, guys, if you eat one, which I doubt, it's 80 calories, 7 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 10 grams of carbs. And that's if you eat one, but I don't believe it. Okay, guys, please make these cookies. I know you love them, but I know one thing that you might like more than these cookies, and that's losing weight while eating cookies. Okay, guys, please make these cookies and comment below on how much you like them. Also comment below on how much weight you started to lose, and I'll comment to everyone back. Okay, guys, these recipes take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay everything out of pocket. So if you want to support me, I do have this recipe on my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. If you guys want me to make any specific recipe, please comment below and I'll work really hard on it. If you want to make more of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Okay, guys, remember, all the strong subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out.